Hey guys, Scott with Heritage Farms, Texas. I want you to look what the good people from Saker sent me. They sent me one of their battery operated mini chainsaws. This one is a little bit unique though, because this one actually has an extension on it. So it's actually 400 watts of motor power, 30,000 RPMs, and it's got an extension pole. So basically it's a pole saw, battery operated pole saw. So let's take this thing out of the box and see what we're dealing with. Pretty excited about this. I think this will come in handy in the pecan orchard, trimming some trees. Also here at the corporate offices, we got a bunch of live oaks that have some little shoots and stuff that come off. So let's take a look at it. See what we got here. First thing is really packaged well. Here's one box. Ooh, and we got another one. Check this thing out though, man. Looks pretty cool. All right, let's see what we got here. First off, the packaging is really nice. They did a good job. I want you to check this out, guys. What's in here? Instructions, owner's manual. Look at that. Safety glasses, very important. Battery charger. You got the chainsaw itself. Comes with one battery there. Some lubricant. Look at that, they even gave you a pair of gloves, man. Nice. Oh, an extra chain. That is cool. Let's get this thing out, man. If I can do this with one hand, I may have to set this down for a second. Wow. All right. Check this out, man. Pretty cool. Got a little adjustment right here for tension on the saw itself. Got a nice little lever here. One thing, I reviewed another one of these a while back. I'm left-handed, so that's a little bit of a problem here that the thumb screw is on for right-handed people. Would be nice if they had a ambidextrous release button or safety switch, but hey, 6-inch blade. And plus, I've spent my whole life learning to work with my right hand. It's the burden of being a left-hander in a right-hander's world. All right, let's see what's in this second box right here. Back you up just a second. All right, this looks like the various extension rods. Nothing else in that box. This. Got our battery here. Really pretty interesting. The charger, unlike a lot of batteries that have to require a separate base, you actually just plug this thing in, plug it in, and you're ready to start charging, which is pretty cool. So let's look at the magic of this little pole saw. So this right here is the remote where actually you're going to take this battery, connects just like any other cordless battery, and now here is your controls to make this work with the extension. Ooh, okay. We're figuring things out here. This is going to be what goes on the top portion. I want you to check this out. I can figure this out. I do believe, oh, this is what releases the battery. Okay. Ah, here's the magic. So you got adjustments. You can actually put this at different angles, depending on what you're doing, which is pretty cool. Because you know, if you're way up in a tree and you're trying to cut a limb, you might want a little bit different angle on it, and you have that adjustment. Pretty neat. I'm assuming this is going to plug into the next connector. Oh my. All right, so these two look close to the same. Just trying to see how they connect or what makes them connect. I have a feeling I may have to break down and use, ooh, wait a minute. I'm figuring things out. That slides up there like so. Oh yeah. We're figuring this thing out pretty quick here. It goes like that. to this here. Okay. Now we're going to take the main base, turn this around, put it back on here. Wow, guys, there you go. Pretty interesting. I'll tell you what, it's a little bit top heavy, if I'm just being honest with you. I mean, with all of that weight up there, so like my right hand right now is a lot heavier than my left hand. But I tell you, for little jobs and things, it's pretty good. It's a lot heavier than I anticipated it was going to be. I guess I was anticipating the weight of the saw and the battery is going to be on the left-hand side, but it's kind of heavy, so I'm anxious to see this thing work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to figure out how to charge the batteries, and then we'll come back and take this thing outside for a maiden voyage. But you know, it does look to be well built. It has a good feel to it. This feels a little bit awkward, so I'm kind of anxious to see how it feels and how it actually performs out in the field. All right, more to follow. Okay guys, hey, so we just tried out the Saker battery operated 20 volt mini chainsaw, Polesaw. You can take out the links to make it as long as you want. I'll tell you what, it actually did a good job. I'm pretty impressed with it. We're gonna put a link in the description where you can go out to Amazon and pick up one of these bad boys. To my friends at Saker, thank you again for giving me this opportunity. And it's pretty neat. I think this is going to come in handy around the corporate offices and also at the pecan orchard. As always, guys, glory be to God. Hope you guys have a great week.